point is the merits of communicative approach. What are the advantages? What are the benefits of this communicative approach? Merit का मतलब लाभ, merit का मतलब एडवांटेज और बेनिफिट. क्या बेनिफिट है? It gives emphasis on functional value of language. फंक्शनल वैल्यू ऑफ लैंग्वेज, लैंग्वेज क्या काम करती है उस पे ये आधारित है. सेकेंड, इट गिव्स एम्फेसिस ऑन द यूज ऑफ लैंग्वेज. भाषा को सीखना ही नहीं है, उसका उपयोग करना है, इस पे एम्फेसिस करती है. इसलिए व्यक्ति अभ्यास करेगा तो सीखेगा. इसलिए इट गिव्स एम्फेसिस ऑन द यूज ऑफ लैंग्वेज. Third, it is based on practical utility. It is based on practical utility and not only the theoretical aspect. सिद्धांत ही नहीं पढ़ना है बल्कि उसको प्रैक्टिकल व्यवहारिक यूज भी करना है. ये इसके लाभ है. और it makes students able to communicate in language. Due to this approach, the students will be able to communicate in that language. It develops the speech ability. इससे स्पीच की जो योग्यता है वो बढ़ती है. These were the merits of communicative approach. Now, suggestion. This is a recent and latest approach, so it is not systematically developed. So, a systematic theory of the aspect should be developed, and the teacher should be trained in this approach, because this is communicative approach. So teacher should be able to communicate in English with correct pronunciation, stress, intonation, pause, etc. So he should be very good at phonetics. And now demerits of this communicative approach. It is new approach and it is to be used and tested in our schools. It is not so much developed, so it should be studied, it should be developed, and it should be practiced in the schools. And it does not give much emphasis on grammar. So a student may remain weak in grammar. Only its aim is to speak, whether it is right or wrong. And it is not properly scientifically developed. So it should be systematically developed, needed. Now there are some questions for assignment. Section A, very short answer. Question first, what is the basis purpose of communicative approach? The basic purpose of communicative approach is to make students communicate inside the class as well as outside the class. Who introduced communicative approach? So Dell introduced this. Dell Heim introduced this communicative approach, and Trim, David and Henry, they develop it. Now section B of short answer, somewhat bigger, of 40 words. Question number 3, what are the characteristics of communicative approach? What are the characteristics, यानी पहचान क्या है, लक्षण क्या है, किससे पहचान सकेंगे. 4th question, what are the merits of communicative approach? Merit we have given. And last question, section C of long answer, describe communicative approach in detail. Thank you. Have a nice day, my dear people teachers.